Hi guys, and I am at a friend Rocco's house. And he has a beauty and you can see him in 3, 2, 1. He's a beauty! Yes, he's a beauty. Like, look at his face close up. Look at him. He's just super cute and
look how much extra skin he has.
I also have a channel. It's called Boss Bros.
Yeah, you should like and subscribe to Rocco's channel.
yeah.
He really needs the support.
And look how tiny he is on the ground.
So let's all come into his dog cage. Look at
And his favourite spot is the toy box.
Yeah, he loves sleeping.
he just goes,
See?
look. Proof. There's proof. We just said it was his favourite spot to live in and see
Oh,
so cute.
look at his cute dog behaviour.
And look at his ancestors. And guys, today we got a book club and look at it. He's famous. Little but fierce. Show the famous dog. Look at him. Proof that he's famous. He's little but fierce. That's exactly him. Oh, he wants to fight my school bag. Okay, black mamba. He's a black mamba. He's like, I'm world's fastest striking dog.
Yeah, actually, it's pretty fast.
And he's just like, oh, okay. Like, what?
Oh. Kitchen's probably his second favourite.
You are definitely not recycling.
Not allowed in there. Guys, these are my 3 brothers. Yeah, we're definitely siblings. We're definitely not just these people we met at school. Yeah.
Okay.
Bite in your pie. Just bite. Ooh. Just bite.
And that concludes our video today.
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Wait, no.